Hi guys. Let's explore Kuala Lumpur's Chinatown. This mural of the People's Pizza was painted by graffiti artist Cloakwork in collaboration with Domino's Pizza in conjunction with Malaysia's 66th Hari Merdeka and Hari Malaysia. Central Market, Kasturi Walk and Dayabumi Complex. Jalan Kasturi. You will find a few florist shops selling all kinds of flowers here. If you walk straight ahead you will arrive at the middle of Petaling Street Market. Let's take a right turn. Jalan Sultan HS Lee. Guan Temple. Guan Temple is a well-known and well-visited Taoist temple dedicated to an ancient Chinese general Guan Di. The Guan Di temple was constructed in 1888 with donations from the large and prosperous Chinese community in Kuala Lumpur. The special thing about Guan Di Temple in Kuala Lumpur, which marks it apart from the many other Guan Di temples around the world, are its replica, Guan Dao spear and Guan Jia sword, into which some believe Guan Di have imparted mystical powers which the faithful can benefit from by touching or lifting the replica weapons. Sri Maha Mariamman Temple. The Sri Maha Mariamman Temple is one of the oldest Hindu temple in Kuala Lumpur dating back to 1873. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu deity Mariamman, considered by many Hindus, particularly Tamils, to be the protector of Hindus traveling abroad. The impressive Gopuram Tower of the Sri Maha Mariamman Temple is one of the major landmarks of Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur. MRT Pasar Seni Gate A. You can never miss the Merdeka 118 skyscraper as its presence looms over Chinatown. Not surprising, as the Merdeka 118 tower is the second tallest building in the world. A really magnificently designed tower that puts Malaysia on the world map again. Jalan Sultan. Petaling Street Market. We will walk through here in another video. Petaling Street. Lorong Petaling 2. The Lorong Petaling 2-lane mural depicts a 1930s scene of an old market in Kuala Lumpur, which includes a bullock cart. The mural continues along the wall with the same scene, but from the 1940s to the 1950s and 1960s. The mural is really impressive and beautiful and perfectly captures the past history of the Petaling Street through the years. Jalan Balai Polis. You will find a couple of popular restaurants here, namely Restaurant Bun Chun, Hokau Hainan Kopisham and Malaya Garden Coffee Bar. Located just beside Restaurant Bun Chun is Lorong Panggong, where the back lanes of this lorong is painted in bright colors, making it an insta-famous location in Chinatown. Lorong Panggong. The back lane here is a photographer's dream with its hanging lanterns, yellow painted walls and blue-colored wooden windows. It really brings about a nostalgic memory of yesteryears. The walls on the left strikes a contrast of bare red bricks with smatters of plaster, giving it an old-school appeal. There are also back entrances to a few restaurants and cafes. Samsung held their Galaxy Space event over the Mid-Autumn Festival at Kwai Chai Hong. That's why you will see a couple of Samsung billboards lining the area. Kwai Chai Hong. Kwai Chai Hong literally translates to Little Ghost Lane or Little Demon Lane in English. It is believed to be a reference to the naughty children that once lived on this street, as the word Kwai, which means demon or ghost, and its variations are often used to refer to brats in Asian culture. There are 6 murals in this alley that portray the daily life of the bygone era in the 1960s. They are all drawn by the local artists. To celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival, installations called Moonlit Dragon was constructed. It combines cultural themes of the dragon and the full moon. It is inspired by Chinese mythology and folklore. Take a good look, this is the dragon head. The moon is above the staircase. The Moonlit Dragon installation is really impressive. You can see that by just using wood and transparent plastic plates, it creates a realistic image of a dragon chasing the moon. We've come to the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you do, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up and leave a comment to show your support. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.